earlier today. This is a very, I don't say new session.
Recording in progress.
But there are certain things that you can, learn little new in this particular session. And I'm so happy to do this here before you today. And we're going to talk about retailing. Okay, retailing of one particular product called Chyawanprash. Fine. Yeah. So before I get into the session, Chyawanprash.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
I know some good sessions are happening in AP Telangana. Very recently, yesterday, I think we had healthy aging. I got very good feedback from people also. Sini was doing the session. Sini is our state trainer for Karnataka and Kerala. And you tend to, see more of English session. So she also did in English, but then very good feedback from the field. And thank you, Sini. She's on call today also. Thank you, Sini, for that. And of course, our Vinod is doing a great job in terms of, collaborating with LGS team, and he is also doing his own sessions. Of course, Prashanti is still on leave, and she'll be back very soon. And till then, you will see variety of sessions happening. And one such session is Chyawanprash retailing today. Fine. Yeah. So when we think of retailing, what all comes to our mind? There are certain things, that comes to our mind as a retailer, fine, as a seller. But before I get into the session, how many of you love to go out and sell your products? Can I see the hands raised? This is a retailing session, so it has to be some way or the other interactive. Like either you can put it on the chat box, or you can, confirm me through one or the other way. Yes? Fine. Superb. Very nice. I wanted to start positive, so I asked how many of you like selling. Now, you can lower your hands, you can lower your hands, because the next question is going to be just opposite to that. How many of you don't like sales? I don't want to go out and sell. And I can promise you, my dear friends, still your business will happen. I can promise you, still your business will happen. Oh, wow. Everybody loves selling. Everybody loves selling. That's nice. Then I'll get a lot of experience here today. Good. But there are people who say, yes, Kanyakumari ma'am. Thank you so much, Kanyakumari ma'am. You are like very upfront like me, because few years before, if you had asked me, do you like selling? Even I would have said, no, I don't like selling. And I still remember Amway as a company itself will not like the word called selling. That's why we used to use different words, saying promoting, sharing, what all we used to use. And later we understood, even our founder, Rich DeVos and Jay Van Andel for that matter, specifically Rich DeVos, talks so much about customer building and selling. They talk so much about it. They always say that Amway business is all about selling products and teaching your people how to sell the product. That's it. As simple as that. And if you keep doing that repeatedly again and again, one day you will see yourself as a diamond. That's a simple mantra that they have mentioned in many of their speeches. Fine. Now today we are going to talk about the framework that is used to promote Chyawanprash, okay, to sell Chyawanprash, and if all that comes into that framework. Fine, my dear friends. There are few assumptions. Okay, what are those assumptions? Maybe I'll start this assumption like a story. Okay, so you are an individual, and now the lockdown is slightly released. I would assume everybody on call, because I see Parvati ma'am on video, so I take somebody like Parvati ma'am as a person, a distributor, a women distributor, middle-aged in the sense, a mother of 2 kids, and you go to a park, and in the park you see other children also playing. Okay, and your children want to play there, and you have come just to be with them and ensure that they in the name of playing, they don't, go and touch anything, because they have to be very careful, and they don't mess up with their mask or sanitizer. They apply sanitizer on time, and they are with a mask. Fine. But internally, you are very confident because your children are very immune with a great product called Chyawanprash. Okay, internally inside you, you're happy. You feel okay, nothing is going to happen, but it's always better to be doubly careful, because you're a person who consumes Chyawanprash at least 2 to 3 dabba in a month. You and your husband maybe take 2 big spoons on a daily basis, and you give half a spoon to your children, morning once and evening once. That's how it has to be used, and you do that religiously. Fine. So that's the assumption, and you go there and you see many children playing, and your children also goes and plays there. They use all the play things that are put up there in the park, and suddenly you see a kid sneezing, just sneezes. I know what sort of tension immediately occurs there. All the parents who are sitting, all the children who are playing, suddenly look at the child very different, because he started sneezing. Okay, and continuously he started coughing after that, and it's an after effect of that sneezing. So you get to know that the child has caught up with cold, a normal cold, a common cold. That's it. But you immediately try to look up to somebody who is the caretaker of the child, and you see a lady standing next to the child, who comes running with a sanitizer and a cloth, meaning a kerchief, for him to close his nose. And also at that point in time, she says, wear your mask, and the child is actually struggling, not to balance between the cold and the cough and the mask. So you understand that it should be the mother of child. You still don't know. You understand that it should be the mother of child, and you give a broad smile. You just smile at the mother, a very friendly smile, a very, very friendly smile. And suddenly the mother, not knowing what to do, she comes back to you, and she tries to have a conversation with you. Yeah, the conversation goes like this. He was all right when he came to the park. I don't know what happened. Suddenly he started sneezing, trying to justify that, trying to justify. And you immediately say, yeah, I know it happens normally with the kids. And you see there is a change in the climate. Till last week it was very hot, and now the climate is changing slowly. So things should be normal. Don't worry. Okay. So she gets that sigh of relief, because you were very friendly to her, and she keeps on adding to it, and then slowly she says, it's very difficult to maintain children at home today. Everybody wants to come out and play, and normally I don't prefer him. He's my son, and he's studying in fifth standard now, and I normally do not want him to come out and play, wanted him to be at home. But how long I can keep him at home? And he also wants to come out and play. So you are like, yeah, true, very true. Even the same thing here, because I also have 2 kids, and they were sitting at home throughout. And since yesterday, we thought we'll at least come and get some fresh air from the park, and also we will, at least watch other children playing. Though they don't play, at least watch other children playing. So it was a very friendly conversation, absolutely friendly conversation. Fine. So you are, as a typical Amway distributor, your mind says you should start with talking about a product, Amway Nutralite product, to that lady. And that lady is like, will I have a solution? I'm with this problem. I don't know what to do now. So I'm with this problem. Should I go for medication, or is that a common cold? I'm not aware. So will somebody give me a solution? So both the minds are like that. Now, how will you start a conversation? How will you start a conversation? So if somebody wants to talk, You can raise your hand. I have Sini to support me, who will unmute you, and you can just start with your how and where do you want to start your conversation. Will you say have you heard about Chyawanprash, or will you say have you heard about Nutrilite? Will you say what will you start? That's a great opportunity. Only you both are sitting in a bench. There's nobody else. How will you start? Who wants to talk? And for your kind information, we can understand Telugu. Only thing is we cannot talk back. We can very well understand Telugu. Yes, who's that? Who has raised a hands or put it on chat box? I'll talk. Okay, Deepu. Deepu, slice of life. Deepu, slice of life. Okay. Sini, can you unmute Deepu? Yeah, I'll do that. One second.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you can. You are unmuted. Tell me, ma'am. Deepu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I speak in Telugu?
Yeah, you can speak in Telugu.
Yeah. I have felt that నేనేమనుకున్నానంటే ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏం చెప్పాలి అంటే నార్మల్ గా మనం బాబుకి ఏమి ఇస్తున్నాము, హెల్దీగా లైఫ్ స్టైల్ ఇస్తున్నామా, డైలీ కొంచెం న్యాచురల్ ఫుడ్ అది ఎక్కువ పెట్టండి. మనం తీసుకునే ఫ్రూట్స్ కానీ డ్రై ఫ్రూట్స్ కానీ కొంచెం మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి.
Ma'am, I will play the role of that lady. Okay, mother of that child. Okay, that babu.
కొంచెం అలా న్యాచురల్ ఫుడ్ ని సజెస్ట్ చేయాలి నా ఉద్దేశం. ముందుగా న్యాచురల్ ఫుడ్ సజెస్ట్ చేస్తూ దెన్ వై డోంట్ వి రీప్లేస్ అంటే అడుగుతాం కదా డైలీ ఇవి అయితే అందించండి. ఒకవేళ ఒక పక్షాన మీకు అది ప్రతిరోజు రెగ్యులర్ గా మీరు చెయ్యలేకపోతున్నాను అని అనుకుంటే we have other option. It's a smart way to fill our protein values and everything to a kid అని చెప్పి అప్పుడు ఇది సజెస్ట్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటున్నాను.
మ్యామ్ మీరు డాక్టరా?
లేదండి, ఐఎమ్ ఎ టీచర్.
Okay. Did you see the same question will come from her? The moment you say this, the same question will come from her. Ma'am, are you a doctor? The moment you say I'm a teacher, do you think she will have interest in continuing to listen to you? I mean, I'm not putting down, ma'am. Please don't, feel demotivated. I'm just saying. I'm just saying from a very normal perspective.
Okay. Actually, when you ask, I have that answer, so I told you. But if the parent will ask me like that, I will tell you that I'm feeding my kids like this, so that's why I'm suggesting you.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, can I suggest one more way to you?
Yes, sure.
Can I suggest? Very good. Thank you. So, it is always better, to what is the first thing that we have to do? Because see, I really like Deepu ma'am's enthusiasm and perfect way to start, ma'am. I don't say it will not work, but there is a step before that. And I don't know if we have followed that step. What step is that? We have to identify the need of the customer. Did we do that? We immediately jumped into conclusion. What? The child is with less immunity, so they may have to take a kids range, they may have to take protein, they may have to take Chyawanprash. No, my dear friends. We know it is Chyawanprash session today, so we are going accordingly. But otherwise, there is a very important step called identify the need of the customer. How will I identify the need of the customer? How will I know? How will I know what they want? What they are taking already? Are they an Amway distributor or not? Who knows Chyawanprash earlier? How do I know all that? So it is important that we talk a little more, and that little more need not be about you, need not be about them. It can be on a general thing, and that conversation can also start with questions or a kind of, a few things that they know, just to understand what all they know. Okay. So your questions can be like this. What can be the first step that you take to maintain your immunity? You can ask the same question to the mom. Ma'am, what can be the first step that you take to maintain your immunity? Don't give the option. I'm giving you the option here, but don't give the option. They will say 101 things. Now I'm giving you the option. You tell me Is that staying indoor or staying hydrated? What will you do? Staying hydrated is drinking good amount of water, keeping our body hydrated. Staying indoor is not coming out at all, so that our body is very immune. No bacteria, no virus, nothing. It is safe. Which is a better option? Can I see some blinks on the chat box? Some answers on the chat box. I know AP Telangana is always very curious to learn things. Very good. Praveen? Yes. Deepu ma'am, superb. Geeta Raghuveer, second. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Fantastic. There are many people who have given the right answer. Staying indoor may not be an option, and staying hydrated would be a good option. So which means they are aware about immunity. You know, the moment you can give options also. You can give options also just to check whether they should know about the subject, right? You're going to talk about immunity, means they should know about the subject. So first analyze your customer, whether they are aware or not aware. Now you got to know they are aware, because the answer that the mom gave is staying hydrated. Fantastic. Staying indoor cannot be a solution for this. So stay hydrated, meaning body should be given good amount of water. Fantastic. It doesn't stop there. Add on. Which fruit has highest or richest in vitamin C? Which fruit is richest in vitamin C? Amla or guava? Answer? Okay. Is that both? Can't it be both? Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So many people say amla, though the answer is both, of course, not the right answer. Highest, the moment I say highest or richest, it means one out of those, and your answer is absolutely right. Amla is rich in, definitely very rich in vitamin C. Superb. So now you know, the mother also know what has to be taken. When you give a choice, she chooses the right thing. Okay, she chooses the right thing. Now the third question, just to explore a little more, is white blood cells fight germs. True or false? White blood cells fight germs. Okay, thank you. Lovely. Lovely. You all are very aware customers. Thanks to Neutralite, it has given us lot of insights on this. Yes, white blood cells fight germs. Very true. So now you know that she is an aware customer. So after this, whatever you talk, she can understand, because she has passed your simple test. Okay. See, as long as, in a sales situation, my dear friends, don't think she is great, I am less, I'm just trying to sell my product. She is the buyer, she has the money, so she is great in sales. Nothing like that. You have all the rights to test your customers' knowledge. They have all the rights to test your knowledge. And that will happen when they ask question. When we see objection handling, we will see what all questions will come. Fine. So these things keep happening. So there's nothing wrong in, that should not be like, in a different tone altogether. It should not be like, I'm going to ask you a few questions. See if you can answer. No, it cannot be that way. The question should be knitted during your conversation so well that the customer feels, happy about, understanding what is delivered to her, what she wants to know. So that way, these questions have given her very good insight on you are concerned about her health, and you also know about the subject. Though you ask the question, that's more than sufficient for her to understand. Fine. So slowly, still we have not identified the need. So slowly we are going to get into it. Slowly, very slowly. Because before that, conversation is very important, and even before that, building a good rapport is very, very important. You can never go and sell it to stranger, my dear friends. That can happen only, that's not sale again. That's only like giving the product and taking the product, which happens in the shop. We go with the mindset that I want to buy pappu. You just pay the money, buy pappu and come back. Buy onion, go ask for onion, buy and come back. But that's not sale. There's no effort there. You know what you want, you go, just ask for it and they take and give it to you. That's only the effort there. But the true effort of selling starts with a good conversation. And that conversation, will lead to understanding the need of the customer. All these efforts only will keep the customers loyal to you. That only will keep them loyal. Are we really loyal to the supermarket that we go and buy? Not. Tomorrow, if some other shop comes and he says, I'm going to give you 50 rupees less for all the products that you buy, or I'll increase your reward points, we'll shift from that shop to this shop. Why? Because there is no effort from the shopkeeper. But for taking the product and giving it to you, making it available to you, we are not talking about that sale. We are talking about a typical problem solution provider. So solution, what is providing a solution? Providing a solution means they understand your problem and giving a solution to the problem. Now you have to understand the concern of your customer and provide a solution to that. Okay, fine. So now, adding on to the conversation, what would you like more? Fine. Curing the root cause of the problem or only fighting the symptom? Till now, we were talking about the data. That is a very good trick to start a conversation. A very good trick to start a conversation is many methods are there. You might have seen in Heart retailing module. One could be storytelling, and one could be, talking about the statistics, talking about the data, and one could be a question answer method, directly asking them the relevant question, specific question, and getting the answers. There are many methods there. And, this method is also very, very important, particularly when you meet somebody who's very new to you. For the first time you're meeting them, you cannot go with the specific questions. It becomes like an interview. You cannot do an interview there. So it is always better to set a common platform. These are common information, common for both you and the customer. So it is better to start with a conversation like this and build it upon on what you want to talk there. Okay, fine. So would you like to know more? And she might say, yes. What do you believe? Curing the root cause of the problem or only fighting against the symptom? I'm sure any mom will say it is curing the problem from the bottom. Okay. So from the root is very important. Understanding the problem from the root is very, very important. And then you can say, how was this dealt in the ancient days? Somebody being sick or somebody catching up a cold or cough is not very common. I mean, not very odd. It's a very common thing. So how do you think people were dealing with this? So there you can slowly try to introduce the method. It could be Ayurveda. It could be, the nutraceuticals, whatever you have. But this is a very common question that can be asked. So you can say we have an ancient healthcare tradition that has been practiced for about 5,000 years. And you can also change it as a question. Do you know this practice? Have you heard about this practice, which has been practiced for over 5,000 years from the ancient days? And I'm sure she will give a very surprising look at you. And then Veda. So now your platform is set. She understands that mom understands, maybe Babu's mom, as Deepa ma'am said, Babu's mom, she will understand that you're going to talk something about Ayurveda. If she doesn't like, or if she doesn't believe in that, she always has the rights to put a full stop. She say, oh, no, I don't believe in all this. Those are all, they don't work properly. Or she can say, no, I've tried this, but it's not worked. I don't believe in that. Or she can say, I know Ayurveda will take a long time, for curing or to set right things. But, do you think it works? She can put the same question back to you. So slowly, that gives you a clue what is her belief level on that. Fine. And then if you don't get anything and she is slowly listening to what you say, you can build up on that. Now that you have said Ayurveda, you have to give all the relevant information to make her believe Ayurveda more than what she was believing earlier. Okay, now still she is 50-50. Though she did not talk about it, still she is still at 50-50. Not that she is fully convinced with Ayurveda, not she is not convinced with Ayurveda. At least with Ayurveda, she'll keep quiet. The moment you talk about Nutrilite and say, have you heard about nutraceuticals? I'm sure many people will think, what is nutraceutical? I don't know what nutraceutical. I've heard allopathy, I've heard Unani, I have heard Siddha, I've heard Ayurveda. What is this nutraceutical? I don't know. There are many people. So it is better that you give more information, give relevant information on that. So now we are talking about Ayurveda. So you can say Ayurveda is a recognized one it's a recognized practice. There are many people who practice Ayurveda and it's a very recognized practice, and this has been recognized as a traditional system of medicine by UNO, United Nations Organization. Okay. So UNO recognizes this as a traditional system of medicine. Put it clear. This is one set of products where even Amway says medicine. Till now, you might have seen we have not been talking about our products as medicines at all. So this is the first product where we also call it as medicine. So you can say UNO has recognized Ayurveda. Then you can build upon your story. What is Ayurveda? You can either ask it as a question or you can tell her, Ayurveda is a very interesting word. This word is derived from a word called Ayu means life and Veda means science or knowledge. So there's a lot of science or knowledge behind life, and all of them are put together to form this term called Ayurveda. It's a science which believes in, human well-being. And this has been in practice for over 5,000 years. And UNO has recognized this as a stream of medicine. So how nice, all the information has come. And then you talk about the product, people will definitely look at it. Definitely look at it. So most of the time, my dear friends, even I have done that mistake. What is the mistake that we do? We directly go and target the product. The moment they say the liver is problem, we know about milk thistle. So have you taken milk thistle? Do they know what milk thistle is, what it can do for the body? Do they know the function of liver? Do they know Nutrilite? We don't think of all that. We straight away jump because we want to see the result in next 5 minutes. Whatever is the result, we are okay with the result. What is the result? Either it is going to be, yes, I'll buy your milk thistle, or it is, no, I don't want to buy your milk thistle. But let me tell you, with all my experience, 20 years of my experience, 10 out of 10 people you go with this approach, 8 people will say no to milk thistle because they don't know about it. Change your system or change your approach and first talk about the brand, add data to that, ask them if they are aware of it, add little value to it, and then talk about the product. I can tell you it goes ulta. 8 out of 10 people would say yes to it. Still there'll be 2 people who say no, but that's okay, manageable. That's okay, manageable. Fine. So this is very, very important. One important retailing tip today is you have to change your approach. Don't directly jump into the product. You can slowly talk about, the brand, the Nutrilite as such, then as an industry, nutraceutical, and then get into the product. This is very important, but all should be quick, my dear friend. It cannot take its own sweet time. 1 hour about Nutrilite and then 1 more hour about nutraceutical. No, it cannot go like that. It should be like your product is the hero. And that introduction, when will the hero entry happen in any movie? Have you seen any hero entry happening after interval? No. After 1 hour of the movie? No. It cannot happen that way. The 3rd or the 4th minute, hero should enter in. Have you seen any movie where the hero comes very first, in the very first scene? Rare, very rare. Okay. So our products are the hero. So it should come at the relevant time, which is 3rd or 4th minute of our presentation. It cannot come before that, or it can never come after that. Right? So this is one beautiful tip that I want to tell you today. See the objective of Ayurveda. Why do we choose Ayurveda? Then you can start adding to that. Why should she choose Ayurveda? Because when we talk about immunity, today we have a list of, science list of supplements. So Ayurveda is one science which works on the root cause, and it is more than just medicine. More than just medicine, because medicine only cures. This also ensures that it does not redevelop or recur. Okay, so that's something good about Ayurveda, and it also reduces the future health risk. Right? So and now knowing about this is about the industry or the brand. Now we should talk a little about them also. It cannot be only that and straight away get into supplementation. No, talk about them. Now you can slowly start getting into their lifestyle. What's of a lifestyle? It can be in the form of question, or it can be in the form of data once again. If I am in that position, I would ask her, now may I know what are you doing for your child's immunity? Like how Deepa ma'am started very, very well. Very well. Now, whatever Deepa ma'am said, that can all go here. Okay. What are you doing for your child health? Are you giving anything natural? Don't you think natural food would boost their immunity? All that will come in this. Okay. So make them understand. The objective is to make them understand why there is no balanced life because of compromised immunity, fatigue and tiredness, lack of energy, and cough and cold. These are the ones which stop them from living a very balanced life. What causes such ailment? They should think for a moment. For a moment, they should think, and then you can add on. Don't you think that we are not having a balanced diet? She may say yes, she may say no, but still it is important for us to say, make them understand that we are not doing it. There could be some not a heated argument, but she will put up a point and you will put up a point, and there'll be a good discussion. Okay. But in a way, this is important step. The second very important step in the framework of 6 steps to selling framework. After identifying the need, you have identified the need that she is looking for an immunity product. After identifying the need, this is to build a rapport. You're trying to build a rapport. Okay. You're making her understand how important immunity is. Okay. So you can start discussing on lack of balanced diet, failure to lead a healthy lifestyle, increase in pollution, and everyday infection adds all to that. And it is better if they talk about all this rather than you talk about all this. Okay. And she may say, no, I'm very strong in all that. What all I give to my child every day, I ensure that I take care of the diet so well. Okay. Which means she doesn't want to take supplement. She's very clear. She says, no, I believe in all those. I've been giving every day. Morning starts with kashayam. I start the day with kashayam. I know the importance of this. I've been giving a lot of churnam. There are, many things that are followed in our family. So many things would come. So then I told you, remember, there could be a small discussion or even an argument in all good sense, not the heated argument. Okay? Then you can slowly ask her, do you know any concoction of herbs? Concoction is opposite to decoction. What is decoction? Coffee decoction, tea decoction, you might have seen. Something that, comes out of it. When you put the coffee powder into water, the essence of the coffee comes out of it. That is decoction. Concoction is when the mixture is mixed. There's 3 or 4 herbs that are mixed together is called concoction. So do you know any concoction of herbs, mix of herbs that improves digestion, easy constipation, supports immunity, combats cold, cough, and avoids fever, and keeps the life very healthy. All should happen in one concoction. Do you know any mix? One mix that supports all this? The moment you say this, anybody would start thinking. I am sure by now you will also start thinking, because improving digestion, we know, chukku, what is that term? Dry ginger, that can do. Eases constipation, all your fiber can do. All your fiber can do easy constipation, eases constipation. Supports immunity. There are many, such mixes, such herbs in our kitchen which can support immunity, like black pepper can do, or jeera can do, which can improve immunity. Tulsi can do, it's a herb which can support immunity. Vasaka can do, muleti can do. There are many. But all this in one formulation, anybody would start thinking. And my dear friends, in all throughout your conversation, you should keep them think. They should come with a solution rather than you reinforcing the solution. You can only influence them in the brand. You can influence them in the product that they use. That's it. You cannot influence them on their own thought, on their own belief. This is a strong rule in sale. If they don't want to buy, they don't want to buy. How much ever you try to influence, you can't. If they have an interest to buy, that interest is there, you can definitely influence on, whatever you want to sell to them. Whatever you want to sell to them. But the interest should come from them, and that comes with their own thinking, and definitely not from anything else. Are you with me, my dear friends? Are you with me? Understood? We have discussed on two important things. One is identify your need. Second is very important, have a discussion, and during the discussion ensure that you make them think. Maximum answers should come from them only. That's nice. Thank you so much. Thanks for all your responses. I see so many yes on the chat box. Fine. Now that you have identified that this lady for Babu needs Chyawanprash, and she believes in Ayurveda, and she believes that she doesn't have any concoction which can support in the immunity in her family, though she has been doing many things like soup, rasam, so many are there, but all in one is not possible. So you have a wide opportunity there to talk about Chyawanprash and to give her Chyawanprash. Now, next step. What is the next step? Now that I have identified that she wants Chyawanprash, can I directly introduce Chyawanprash to her and say this is what it is? Here comes your own credentials. Now she has believed in Ayurveda. She has believed that she doesn't have anything which can support everything. She believes in that. Now she is ready to listen. But is she ready to listen to you or not is a big question. She is ready to listen. When will she listen to you? Only when she knows that you are the right person to talk about it. How will she know that you are the right person to talk about it? That is when your NHI certification comes into role, my dear friends. I don't know how many of you are certified, NHI certified, who have completed the basic level 1 stage of NHI. And it's very, very important so that we can show that, NHI certification and tell them I am a health advisor. So that adds to your credibility. That adds to your credibility. We enter into a doctor's clinic. We see 3-4 people sitting there, but it's a doctor's clinic, and you get confused, right? Who's the doctor? If all 3-4 start asking you question, what happened? Why have you come here? What is the problem? You really get confused. The moment you see a stethoscope and a white coat, what do you think? Oh, he should be a doctor or she should be a doctor. Let me go and talk to him. So Our NHI certification is like our stethoscope. So don't miss the opportunity, my dear friends. If you have completed the first level, do the second and the third level too. Don't miss out on that. Fine? Yeah. Now you can say I'm so and so. I'm a health advisor or a consultant and I can provide you health solution. And I've been doing, add credentials to it, that I've been doing this for 5 years, 10 years now. Or, I just joined the community, whatever. And tell the truth. That's very important, because if you're not experienced, tell them that I'm not experienced, but I can get you the solution. There are people in my group where I can get the solution from. I get that support. So be very open and then say, I have a wonderful solution for you. I can provide a solution for you. Don't jump into a solution immediately. Let her ask what it is. Let her ask. Wait for her to ask. Wait for her to ask. Fine? And get her permission. Will you be interested to know more about it? The moment she says yes, and then you can go about it. Okay? Then you can start introducing the product. How do I start introducing the product? How would I start doing that? Always start talking about the benefit of the product. There are many things, and don't follow a trainer here. As trainers, we always talk about the feature first, ingredients, then we go to how does it benefit, and then we go to how to use, and then we talk about any contraindications that these people cannot use after food, all that. Never follow a trainer. That's a pattern that the trainers follow to educate you. But when you go to your customers, my dear friends, it is always better to talk about the benefit, because in their minds, there's one strong question called with me. Okay, what is with me? What is in it for me? Why should I buy this product? What is in it for me? How will I gain through this product? So this is a very strong question. You put yourself into a customer shoes and just think of it. Even you will have this. What is in it for me? So that is why we are not consumers or customers of all the products. If this question is not in our mind, my dear friends, we would have purchased everything on earth. Every little thing on earth. Okay, this question comes to our mind. The moment we see the product, what is in it for me? How is it going to benefit me? That question comes up. So it is always better to start answering that first. So talk about the primary benefits of Chyawanprash. Now, what is the primary benefits of Chyawanprash? You can start your conversation like this. Now that I have told you, a health consultant, I believe in the stream of Ayurveda. So here is a wonderful product called Chyawanprash, which has multiple benefits that can give it to our body. If I have to talk about the primary benefit, it supports immunity. It helps to combat cold and cough. It regenerates the body with regular usage. Someone who starts should use it on a regular basis. And you know, this is Ayurveda, and it starts showing the result in some time, not immediately, sometime. So it boosts your strength and stamina, and it energizes the body. So these are the primary benefits that anybody could get once they start using this product. Okay. Not only that, my dear friends, there are some additional benefits also. The more the benefit, the more the buyer is closer to the product. The more the benefit, the buyer is close to the product. Fine. So in the additional benefit, you can also say it supports digestion. It eases the respiratory discomfort. It makes you feel younger, meaning it does not allow your cells to become older day by day, and supports your memory and supports your heart health. So there are n number of benefits. Even before the mom thinks, should I give it to the child? You have almost said everything. She will start thinking about the child. What will happen if he is 20 years? What will happen when he is in 30 years? What will happen when he is 40 years? So the benefits that you have said is lifetime. So she may not even think twice to say yes to your product. But is that going to happen immediately? No. It will not happen. Sales is not that easy, my dear friend. So it cannot happen immediately. So there, the moment you talk about all this, her brain starts thinking. She will start having 100 questions in mind. Is this lady trying to sell this to me? Should I become the victim for this? All these questions will pop up. So you should have your answers ready. And even before, allowing her to think so, it is better to get into the third step, very important step, share your testimonial. Talk about the benefit as the third step. And the fourth step is talk about your own testimony. You are the testimony of this product and you can talk about the testimony. There are certain products where you cannot be testimony. Say, for example, if a lady is going to a man and sees that he is a great person for dynamite, how will she become a testimony there? Fine. So it is always better to have a testimony who has been benefited through this product and carry that in the form of a call or in the form of a written message, whatever, and show it to the concerned person. Say, here I have a very good feedback about this product, and why not you also try? Fine. So here, while you share your testimony, it is better that you pull other people also. Other people is other credentials. Now here you can say Ministry of Ayush. Hope you know what Ayush is. Ayurveda, Unani, Yoga, and Naturopathy, Siddha, and Homeopathy. That's Ministry of Ayush. So the Ministry of Ayush has also shared measures to help build immunity and self-care with Chyawanprash. I'm sure you might have read this in the newspapers very recently. Ayush recommend this. Even our Prime Minister lists 7 tasks to fight against COVID-19 and Chyawanprash is one among them. He says, take Chyawanprash to boost your immunity. Not directly, but he says, follow Ayush Ministry tips. And what is Ayush Ministry tips? Take Chyawanprash. So add value to the product. So she should not be thinking more to buy. Fine. So she is now closer to the product, like from 100% away. The moment you started talking about the product, say that you are a health consultant and a solution provider, and say that with the benefits, particularly the benefit would have brought her 40% closer, and the credential of the product would have brought her 60% closer. Now still 40% is there. How to close that? Add little more value. Make her understand that you are not the only one. There are many who have used this product. Have you seen certain advertisements for weight management and all, where they say, this person has come and has lost this many kgs of weight, that person has come, has lost that many kgs. Why they are pulling people? Not only for testimonial. Any human being will have a point in the mind, am I only person who is going to use that? They don't want to be guinea pigs. So it is always better to say Chyawanprash is the single largest product category, contributing to 20% of the Ayurveda market. It is one product which is sold the highest in the Ayurveda as a science. And 51% of the household consumption, 51% of the household has this product in their homes. Not only this, they also have almond, amla, lime juice, oranges, and all that. Who knows how to keep their immunity strong? So this is one product which should be at home in all the families who believe that their immunity has to be built. So she thinks, good, I'm also one among them. So it should be in my house also. So now from no to yes, she is very close to yes, where she has come to 80-85%. 80-85%. Fine. So then add little more. Talk more about the product. Here maybe you can start talking about the feature of the product. Till now we were talking about the benefit of the product, how it is going to support and all that. Okay. Now that she has become closer, it is just her mind is between yes or no. That's it. Yes, no, that's it. Okay. She has decided everything. Now that is when you add a little fuel to it, where she should feel that I'm choosing the right product. Why? Because Chyawanprash is not a product which is not available in the market. It is very much available. It is available in various brands. And now her thought process would be, why should I buy Nutralite Chyawanprash? When I get it in my medical store, which is close to my house, what is in there for me in Nutralite Chyawanprash? Fine. So for that, you have to answer. Though she asks you or not, your answer should be ready. So what is the answer? You can say this is with 16 organic ingredients, but I would say it should be dealt in 5-6 points, not 1 point, 5-6 points. Number one, very important point that I see is there are more than 60 ingredients that Nutralite Chyawanprash has. That any Chyawanprash should have. Yes, true. But what is so big about Nutralite Chyawanprash? Why do you say that more than 60 ingredients? See, we saw the science is 5,000 years old. The science prevails 5,000 years ago. That time, there could be some herbs which were in practice, and today that herb may not be in practice, may not be considered as herb. There's no species of it seen. Fine. So very easy for many brands to use a very closest combination of that. Say for example, if pepper is not there at home, use chili. Fine. If sugar is not there, use jaggery. Alternative is always there. Whereas in Nutralite, we ensure that even the closest is 99.9% closest. We don't compromise on that. Maybe our thought would be if black pepper is not there, white pepper. Again, it's in pepper family only, but white pepper. We will not go to chili. So that close, that's one very important thing that you have to talk about. Second, very important thing, out of those 60 plus ingredients, 16 of them are organic. Here, the practice that we follow for organic ingredient is very unique. Organic ingredients here means not organic when they are packed. They are organic right from the ground. You know the stringent manufacturing practice of Nutralite. They are all practiced on ground to get this organic Chyawanprash. So talk about the organic story of Chyawanprash. Very important. Okay. So third one, you can talk about it, the manufacturing practice that we follow. Very hygienically prepared, absolutely hygienically prepared, and we ensure that the nutrients of these are not lost because of overheating or because of over cold, like frozen. We don't put them in extreme temperatures. We try to balance them in the same temperature. Okay. And also talk about the certification that we have got for Chyawanprash. So these are also, you can talk about preservatives. Sodium benzoyl is a common preservative used in many Ayurvedic supplements. Here we have not used any preservatives. Purity, safety, potency of every herb that is used. Maybe other companies may not do that. The botanicals, the herbs that we use are authenticated by, DNA fingerprinting. So that is not done by many companies. And 32 Ayurvedic herbs to support immunity. There are about 60 ingredients, out of which 32 are Ayurvedic ingredients, Ayurvedic herbs. These are typical herbs which has medicinal value and can do benefit, out of which 16 are organic. Rest we have given for organic certification and certification pending. Once it comes, even they will be organic in nature. So if somebody asks you, what are those 16 organic ingredients? Remember the names of few. You may not talk about everything, but amla, organic sugar, bale, soyanaka, patala, kashmirya, gokru. You see at the bottom, there are many, and even the bottle carry all the information about that. Learn about that. That you can learn in all our basic sessions that we do on Chyawanprash, and talk about those things. So these all will get her closer to this particular product. Okay. So once she gets closer, once she knows that she wants to go for this product, she is convinced, immediately she will not say yes to this product. Immediately she will not say yes to this product. There will be certain objections, and objection handling is an art. Is an art, my dear friends. Okay. Always follow the SLUSA technique. I'm sure Prashanti would have taught you the SLUSA technique. SLUSA. Whenever any objection comes in, don't jump to answer. That's not a good practice. First one is stop talking. First listen to what they say. That is first yes. L is for listening. Listen to answer, not to defend. Okay, listen to reply, not to defend. Your mind should immediately do not go to defensive mode and say, no, 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 no. I'm not talking about that. No, don't become defensive. Listen to answer. Okay, L. You understand the question. What are they trying to say? Understand the question. Yes. Next yes is smile and offer solution. There will be a solution for all the question. If you don't know the solution, get from the right person. Trainers would be the right person to give you that solution. And A is get an agreement. Get an agreement from them. They should accept it. Get an agreement from them. Like that, you may have 3 to 4 objections in any sale. In any sale. And can you believe something? Most of them are within the syllabus. Like they will ask it. They will ask it. First, I'll tell you few from my own experience. Very first thing they may ask is, why is Chyawanprash so highly priced? Immediately we will say, no, how do you say it's highly priced? Such a great product, it's coming for this price because we have seen all Nutralite product which we buy for 1,000. We compare it with protein powder and say this is not highly priced. For them, when they look at from the market point of view, they will have this question. Definitely they'll have this question. Anybody will ask. So how will I answer? Immediately get into SLUSA. Stop. Don't argue. Smile. Don't leave that smile. That smile is a confident that the person should feel that, oh my goodness, did I ask a wrong question? She is not shattered. She is not shaken. The person is strong, which means she has a strong answer for it. So smile. And then listen. Listen to the question. What does she say? What does she say? She said, why is Chyawanprash so highly priced? Understand. Understand can be by asking question. If I am in your position, I would have asked, yes, madam, thank you for that. But compared to what? Ask them compared to what? Maybe there are some people who have done a market analysis on that. There are some people who don't know anything. No, I just say this seems to be a kutti dabba, small dabba. And for this, you are charging about $5.99. What is this? So she might ask that way. Or there could be some people who say, if you take this brand Chyawanprash is only $250. Whereas your Chyawanprash is more than double of it. Why is it so highly priced? Look at the specifics in the question. Look at the specifics. Okay. And for the person who says Kuti Dabba, answer it differently. The more you buy, the more bigger size you buy. Of course, we don't have bigger size. I'm just telling you. No, obviously the cost will come down. She's not looking for anything else. She just need an answer. That's it. Okay. But the person who comes with the analytics compared to other products in the market needs some analytics and needs some comparison. There you can say, sir, I'm so happy with the question that you asked. So nice that you brought it. Find out from the 250 rupees dabba whether it has 32 Ayurvedic herbs, whether 16 of them are organic in nature, whether do they have any preservatives or it is non-preservative, whether the DNA fingerprinting is done for all the herbs that have been used. And no, the immediate answer would be, because I did this, my dear friends, I'm telling it to you with my experience. So the immediate answer would be, oh, I didn't know all this. Oh, then it's fine. Worth the money. Also, sir, there they ask you to take 3 times a day, 3 spoons a day. Here it is just 2 spoons a day. You save on 1 spoon. So even the benefit of that 1 spoon is divided between these 2 spoons. So consume less, but get more benefit. Oh, I didn't know this. That's nice. Fantastic. People like you for that. People definitely like you for that. Okay. Second very important question. One objection. No, I'm anyhow a diabetic, and you say it has sugar in it. Did we say? Yes, we said. See, organic sugar. You say it has sugar in it. I don't want to take any sugar product. I'm not taking, for some time now, I'm not taking any sugar product. Fantastic. Very valuable, objection. You can never say no to it, but you can still break it. You know how? Thank you for bringing it again. You can say, ma'am, I'm asking you from the health perspective. I'm a health consultant. Can I ask you, how is your food on a daily basis? Like, what do you take for breakfast? What do you take for lunch? What do you take for dinner? What do you take for snacks? Somewhere you will see the glycemic level of certain food are high. Say example, she might say, I'm taking rice in the afternoon. How much rice? 3 katoris of rice. Sambar, rasam and curd. 3 katoris of rice. And you can say, ma'am, the glycemic level of raw rice is comparatively high. Can I suggest you something? Take permission. Can I suggest you something? Cut on 1 katori of rice. I'm not asking you to take, don't take rice. You can take rice, but cut down on 1 katori of rice and try to take this Chyawanprash. But for this sugar, organic sugar, there are many good ingredients that can support you. And who knows, even your glucose level could come down. There are ingredients which can reduce your glucose level also, and it can be supportive to you. Oh, is it? I can do that. That shouldn't be a problem at all. I'll do it. Done. Absolutely. So, likewise, you can crack on the objections and make them use your product. And there could be somebody who says, I've been using that brand for so long now. I'm so attached to that brand. Chyawanprash, na? I use it right from first year, 1 year. My mom and dad used to give me. I can't change the brand. Thank you so much for the brand loyalty. We are so happy that you are using Chyawanprash from that stage. But it's time for you to compare this product whenever time permits. I'm not asking you to do it immediately. So whenever time permits, I'll send you the label of this particular product. Just want you to compare that product with this product and give me a feedback. You're not asking them to take. See, you're not asking them to take. Just give me a feedback on what is better in that product, in the product that you are taking, so that I can ask my company to change those and make it still more better. Fine. Simple, very simple things. I'm sure people will like you for that. Great, my dear friends. These are certain ways in which you can definitely, break through those points and make it a wonderful product for them. And all is in our hands, my dear friends. And the last one is close the sale. Very, very, very important. People do all this efforts they'll take, and at last they'll think people will come, pay and buy the product. It never happens, my dear friends. We have to ask for sale. And there are certain techniques to ask for sale. You cannot ask directly, are you buying the product? Yeah, you can ask. Nothing wrong in that. If your relationship is so strong, if it is a stranger, you can say, ma'am, if I have to give you an information, this is a wonderful product and right time to start. And I'm sure you have decided. Assume, nothing wrong. Assume, I'm sure you have decided to buy this product. I'm going to place my order tomorrow. How many dabbas should I place for you? You want to take 1 dabba or 2 dabbas? Simple. How do you want to pay for it? As cash, or you want to use your card? You want to place it as an online order, or you want me to come and deliver it? Simple. So that is when you can see a broad smile on the face. Hey, come on. You have decided that I'll buy, is it? Okay, fine. I thought of buying next month, but since you are insisting, why not now? Okay, you can give and I'll take the product. Fine. Or you can create some urgency. If you have some offer, you can say, Now we are running an offer, towel set offer, which includes all Nutralite product for 3,000 rupees. And you say you have many people in the family, your friends and relatives. Why not you go for that, ma'am? You know, you will get a towel set free also. So I'm sure nobody will buy, Chyawanprash for 3,000 rupees, but then, no, just a try. There's nothing wrong in trying anything, right? But always be humble and always be open and always be flexible. Be flexible. Say, she would say, I have an order for 2,500 rupees and I'm ready to take for 2,500 rupees. Can you give me a towel set? I'm sure you can't give, but you can place extra order for 500 rupees and give her the towel set, right? Or she can say, I'll buy for 1,500 rupees and will you give me one towel? That can be done, right? I'm sure all of you are doing all this, my dear friends. There's nothing new that I'm talking about. But at the same time, I would like you all to be little flexible to have more customers, because you have to understand these customers are going to be our preferred customers, and 3 preferred customers will make us a BFI, will make us an ADS, and ADS journey starts from there. They become ADR for us, and the moment they become ADRs for us, and they become 3%ers, we can become a BFI, and then they become 6%ers, we become BBI. There's so much in the business, so much in the business. So holding them and making them grow with us is very, 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 very important. There's no big deal in going behind, many customers and trying to have a filter and filter few and leave the rest. No. If 10 people come, our responsibility to hold at least 7 or 8 of them. 7 or that shows our integrity in business. Fine. So I'm sure you all will definitely do that. So let's again come back, because heavy subject. So after a heavy subject, let us make a little lighter. Guess who am I? My color is yellowish green. I taste astringent and I am a great source of fiber. And I am rich in immunity also. Here comes me. Yes, Amla. Amla. Fine. So it's a hero ingredient. It fights against common cold. It improves digestive process, aids in weight loss. All that you can add when you talk about your testimonial of this product. Okay, you can talk about how it is prepared. You can talk about, what Amla can do there, what all it does, what are the other ingredients that are added. So there's a lot to talk about this product, and you can do that. Okay. So everybody needs Chyawanprash, my dear friends. If you see who needs more, both needs more. For that matter, this is Anita Desai, who's a housewife, and here is a sports boy, Raghav, and who needs? Both need Chyawanprash. There's nobody who says, I don't need Chyawanprash. This is one product which suits every age group, everybody in the family. So anybody can take this Chyawanprash and become healthy. Now, you might think, do I need Chyawanprash? There are many people who say, am I taking Chyawanprash or not? Or am I doing it religiously? So here is a test for you to know whether you are taking Chyawanprash or you should take Chyawanprash or not. This is an immunity test. Fine. Is your immunity boosted? Let us see how it goes. Fine. And the rule is, answer the question by selecting the choice that best describes you. Okay. Give yourself 1 point if you're more of an option 1, and 0 point if you resonate more than option 2. So if you say point 1, give 1 point. If you say point 2, you have to second option. If you choose second option, you should give a 0 for it. Okay. Fine. Do you always have a cold? Don't put it on the chat box. It's a test for you. Do it for yourself. Give 1 if you get maximum twice in a year. If you get throughout the year, give a 0 for yourself. Do you have constant tummy troubles? whatever it could be, constipation, loose motion, whatever. If you say no, then give 1 to you. And if you say yes, I do have, then give 0 to you. Do you wound your wound heals very slow? Okay. At times we get some cut or breaks and it doesn't heal properly. So if your answer is no, give yourself 1. If your answer is yes, give yourself 0. Do you have frequent infection? If your answer is no, give 1. If your answer is yes, give 0. And add up to your total. Okay. By the time you add up your total, the next question is your stress level very high? Stress has lot of connection with immunity. So if you say I am almost stress free, give yourself 1. I'm constantly under a lot of stress, give yourself a 0. Okay. So answering these 5 questions, here is the result. If your result, marks that you have scored is between 1 to 3, it's either 1 or 2 or 3 or 1.5, 2.5, whatever it is, you need to build your immunity to a stronger level. You have to consume Chyawanprash. 4, need to boost your immunity. It is there, but still there is an option to make it 5. So need to build your immunity. There again, you have to take Chyawanprash. 5, keep going with your powered immunity. You're already immune, highly immune, and your immune system is functioning properly. But you can still retain it or maintain it with the support of Chyawanprash. So whatever is the result or the score, Chyawanprash is one product that has to be in our kit, in our home. And hope it was useful for you all attending the session. Thank you so much. And don't forget the 6 steps to framework, which talks about each and every step is important. Identify the need of your customer. Without identifying the need, don't jump into products, and then slowly build a rapport. And when you start building the rapport, talk more about the benefits of the product with me. Please understand that what is in it for me. That's very important. And once the benefit are well taken, well received by the customer, then start your own testimonial. Do not keep talking about your testimonial in length. It should be short and crisp, not more than 2 minutes, my dear friends. That's the time allocated. So just 2 minutes, finish off with your story. And if you don't have a testimonial, try to get the testimonial from one of your successful customer, and that gets them closer to the sale. And whatever happens, by the end there'll be some objections, and try to handle those objections in a very lighter manner. Like, don't take it as if they have spoken wrong about your product. There's nothing like that. Even we are consumers for some products, and there is a genuine concern. There is a genuine concern with everyone when they ask it genuinely. And by now whether it is clarification or an objection. If it is just a clarification, just clarify. If it is objection, try to overcome the objection with a nice answers, and take them closer to sale. Ask for sale, and your success to the sale is, you can give a pat on your back and say, I have sold it only when they repurchase the product from you. So the first time sale is not a sale at all. Even there, I would put it as, like a shopkeeper and a buyer. You go, you ask, they give. As good as that. Though there is some effort there, but you cannot take full credit to it. The full credit comes to you, 100% credit comes to you when you get a call from your customer saying, hey, you remember me? I'm so and so. Last time you gave me this product and it's doing wonders. And where can I get the product now? My dabba is over and I want to buy the product from you. Where can I get it? How can I get it? So that is when you can give a pat on your back and say, I've done a good job. So I'm sure all of you will do a good job there. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for attending this wonderful session. Though it is one product, there are so many tips and techniques that you have understood through this session. And, great selling, great Chyawanprash selling. And this product has such a great potential, even for conversion and migration. When a new ADR comes in, the 90 days sales criteria should be done for 5,000 rupees. And I would say 5,000 rupees only Chyawanprash to 10 customers, he becomes an ADS. It's as simple as that. And he can very well find 10 customers very easily than any other product, as good as that. Thank you so much for lovely messages. So many thank you messages flowing in. Thank you. I'm happy that you learned some techniques today. I'm sure you'll follow all these techniques in your regular, day-to-day selling and be very, very successful. Thank you. Meet you all in one more session and wish you all the best of success. Thank you. Giving me opportunity to do this session specifically. When I asked him what topic should I cover, he said Chyawanprash retailing. So thank you so much for that. Thank you.